Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I got something in the mail from one of my friends from California, and I don't know if you guys have heard, but there's these nail things called Color Street, and they're like little nail application, like color polishes things. So I am going to attempt to put these on and see how well they last with my hands being in water so much. I'm really curious to see how these stand up. My nails look like trash. This is them. I took my acrylics off yesterday, and instead of getting my nails done, I'm going to test this out and see how it works. So my friend Lauren sent this from California. Cute little card. Okay, so we're gonna try this together. I have never done this before, okay? So bear with me here. Let's see. Okay, I guess there's only 2 of them in here, so we're gonna test them out and leave them on for a couple of days. See how they work. Okay, so here's the instructions on the back of this cute little card. Okay, it says, I think I need, before applying Color Street, 100% real nail polish strips, wipe each nail thoroughly with the pad, alcohol pad. I buffed these a little bit, just because they are like nasty from the acrylics. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so remove package. It's gonna look a little weird just having 2 of these on, but maybe I'll paint the rest of them pink. Okay, so peel, polish, strip. What? Okay, here. Okay. Remove, nope, I don't think I peeled it. Here we go. This little silver part, see that? Okay. Now, we're gonna apply it. You see that? Oh, that's not gonna fit that nail. We're gonna have to do this pinky. Okay, so see my pinky? Put that there. And then it says apply pressure. Okay. Stretch to fit. Okay, that's how it looks. And then you just kind of take your nail and run it across your fingernail to kind of cut it, see? I actually probably can get 2 nails because I didn't use that much. So I'm going to stick this here. And it comes with a cute little file. Okay. And then it says to gently file the edge. Hey, that's pretty cool. That looks cool. It seems like it's on there pretty good. The real test will be the water at the salon. You know, I wash hair all day and gloves and color, and so that's gonna be the real test. Okay, let's try this nail now. Just because I have some. Wipe it with alcohol. Okay. And I'm going to remove this little tab. I should have done that, but I didn't. Okay. So here's the little sticker. And I'm going to apply it like this. Okay. And then you kind of just drag it over the edge of your nail and like let your nail kind of cut it. See? Just kind of push down. Okay, and then file the edge. Pretty cool. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other nails, finish them up, and I'll take a picture of them at the end. But so far, this seems pretty cool. I maybe will record another video in a couple of days to see how they have held up, and we will go from there. Okay, guys, have a good day.